From roots to rubble, there's a new series of tools to clear it all. Welcome to the all-new HDX series of grapples from Blue Diamond Attachments. Engineered for skid steers, CTLs, and tractors up to 75 horsepower, our new root grapples and grapple buckets will make easy work of your land clearing, landscaping, debris removal, and storm cleanup projects. Blue Diamond's HDX series grapples deliver with power and performance, making easy work of your site cleanup projects every time. A key advantage of Blue Diamond HDX series grapples is the wide opening, which allows the operator to grab bulkier items in one load. Uneven or awkward material are stable and secured by the independent acting top clamps that have commercial-grade hydraulic cylinders for maximum clamping force. The updated and heavier construction of the new series also means they can handle rugged use on mid-sized machines, making them a cost-effective long-term investment. Like every attachment we manufacture, the HDX series is purpose-built to tackle any project on any site, making you more productive so you can get on to the next phase of the project faster. The HDX series root grapples and grapple buckets feature enhanced design elements that take the overall performance and versatility of the attachments to new levels. These include stronger cylinder protection covers, a fully welded cylinder for increased clamping force, thicker 1/4 inch tubing in the frame weldment, pivot point grease fittings, enhanced hose protection, dual top clamps for load stability. Technical specifications for the HDX series include a 32-inch opening, a 37-inch working depth, and a 72-inch overall width. All Blue Diamond HDX series grapples come with our satisfaction guarantee and are backed by a 1-year warranty. Are you ready to make things clear? Blue Diamond Attachments HDX series grapples. Built strong, built practical, built for you. Learn more at bdagrapples.com. Blue Diamond, your complete attachment solutions resource.